This is normal Monday morning, and you can see within the terminal building, which are just small goods to get into it. No activity is happening here. These are all the counters, checking in counters. They are not here. You can see one of the fan outside chasing people out. Mr. Adams, you can see him chasing people out, shouting, telling that lady to go out, that nobody should be found inside. We're only opportune to come inside this morning since we resumed around 5:35. Now they are here. You can see staffs moving around. All the counters empty, and then passengers are outside, and some are already returning back home because they feel that nothing will happen today. All right, thanks, Charles. I'm done from this end.
Thanks for watching OTV.